Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Alert coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this April 27th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin $9,267, up 5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 661, up 7.4%. A sea of green across the market. We are all geniuses once again and can come in out of the doghouse. SIA up 60% on the 7-day, EOS also up 60%, Kyber Network up 78%. With EOS and Kyber Network, they've recently been listed over on BitHum, of course, that very famous South Korean exchange. Mixin up 200%, Z Classic nearly 500% in the last 7 days. However, the only non-genius ones this week, Dogecoin down 6% on the 7-day, PoonDX down 9%, and Monaco down 16% on the 7-day. Of course, in the case of PoonDX and Monaco, after stellar rises, it's not surprising to see a bit of a pullback. The 17th million Bitcoin has been mined. Now we only have 4 million more Bitcoin to be mined, and it's only going to take 120 years to get there. Think about that for a while. If we're still mining Bitcoin in 50, 60 years, what is that Bitcoin you have now going to be worth? Take the long term, guys. The Mt. Gox trustee has moved $165 million, approximately, in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash from the wallets, but instead of just dumping it on the market this time, he has gone with an OTC sale so that he doesn't crash the crypto markets once again. Thank you very much, dude. Security firms over in Moscow are offering protection for crypto traders. So this is when you want to do big OTC trades. I think this is a necessary service, with especially in a place like Russia, where this kind of high-level crime perhaps a little more commonplace. But I think this can happen anywhere in the world, and is nevertheless a useful service anywhere you go if you are a big player in the crypto space. New party in Ukraine to fund itself only with crypto. That is really cool. Now, I'm not going to comment on the political leanings of the party or anything like that, but I do like that they're very pro-cryptocurrency, and they're even going as far as saying, we're only going to fund via crypto. You want to mine for us? Great. That'll help fund our party. Pretty cool idea anyway. Certainly can fulfill a niche market, and I think with the growing interest of cryptocurrencies in Ukraine, could be the right thing at the right time. Philippines legalizes cryptocurrency exchanges in an economic zone. Of course, that would be a good move for them, attracting in more business into the Philippines. It would be nice to see the Philippines really take the stage as a good regional player for cryptocurrencies. This is really great news out of Chile. Chilean anti-monopoly court orders banks to reopen crypto exchange accounts. And this is a story we covered a few weeks ago, where the banks had went to the crypto exchanges and said, we can't take your money anymore. The anti-monopoly court has come in and said, you have to take their money. That's great. I'm really happy to hear that. Awesome to see a good legal precedent being set for them. Malta cabinet approves cryptocurrency bill. This, of course, was a non-surprise, without a doubt. This was going to happen, but it has officially been approved. Now, Comcast's venture capital arm is bullish on Bitcoin and blockchain. There will be a link down below, as always, but to this interview with the managing director talking about why they're bullish on Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. Pretty interesting chat. I would suggest go ahead and check that out. Pantera CEO says Bitcoin is a screaming buy, but bets on Icon. Not a bad bet, I would say. Vitalik Buterin, who's still not giving away Ethereum, is not going to be going to Consensus, which is the biggest cryptocurrency conference of the year. In fact, he's boycotting it. Well, that's interesting. Also boycotting it, Charles Hoskinson. Now, Vitalik more has a problem with CoinDesk specifically. Charles Hoskinson saying that he thinks it's ridiculous to be charging $3,000 US in order to go to a conference. And I'm kind of with him. I think $3,000 US is an obscene price. Now look, I understand it's an industry event and that spending that kind of money, it's really not that much on the big scale of things, especially if you're a venture capital firm or if you're a cryptocurrency project, because the communication and the connections you might make at such a conference are worth well more than $3,000. But of course, you're pricing out the little guys. You're pricing out the enthusiasts and all these different people who want to go, who want to be involved, who want more information, who want more opportunities, $3,000 for a ticket is a lot. But you guys let me know what you think. Is $3,000 too much to go to Consensus? There's different pricings, so you can get a ticket for $2,000 as well. Zilliqa and Gennaro to join efforts for a scalable blockchain. Cool. Great partners to see them coming together. I think it'll add a lot to both of their projects. This is really interesting. So we talked about Fresco just briefly the other day, but this is a very curious follow-up for anybody who wants to get some free Fresco tokens. They're not going to be doing an ICO. No, in fact, they are going to be giving out the tokens, but you have to do an art quiz. Now, I've started on it. It's 100 questions, and it's really hard. But you guys go ahead and try it out if you want to score yourselves some free Fresco tokens. It only requires that you do a really hard art quiz. Google's your friend, guys. Anyway, let me know if you do the quiz, what your result is in the comment section down below. And finally, time to give away some Bitcoin to one lucky winner. Who is it going to be today? Adam Lynn, awesome crypto lark. This is my favorite channel. Long live the blockchain. 50 bucks worth of Bitcoin coming your way. Next week, we are going to be giving away some Electrify Asia. So 50 bucks worth of Electrify Asia. If you want to be in to win that, put your address in down below, guys. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.